ohmathgad.
ohmathgad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to construct a scatter plot. So in today's video, we're going to be given a table and we are going to be asked to make a scatter plot. The first thing we are going to be looking at is the definition of a scatter plot. As you can see, a scatter plot is a graph in the coordinate plane that shows the relationship between two sets of data, right? So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this table. This table that says museum attendance is a table that shows the monthly attendance in thousands at a museum in one country over a 12-month period. Now we're asked some things. First of all, we're asked to make the scatter plot to represent the data shown in the table, to identify any outliers, if any, right? And then an outlier, first of all, is going to be a data point that is set off the rest of the data points. So if a point doesn't follow the trend of the graph, we're going to see that that is going to be an outlier, like its name says. And C is going to be what situation might have caused that outlier. So if we find any, we will try to see where it happened and why it may have happened. Okay, so now we have the table, and the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to label the our x-axis and our y-axis, and then we're going to see the points, right? So for 5, 7, 9, and 11, and we're going to see 2 points on 5, 1 on 6, 1 on 7, 2 on 10, and 3 points on 12. Okay, now as we can see from this data set, we have found that 5 has 2 values, right, which are the ones shown here. We have 6 has 1, 2, and 3 for 6, 12, and 36, which are these values that we see here. For value of 7, we have a low value of 3, which is this one, right? Then we have no values for 8, no values for 9, and for 10 we have 21 and 27. And then for 11 we have 18, which is here, and 24, which is around here. We also have 18 and 24 for 12, but we also have a score of 3. So as we can see from this data set, we have actually 2 outliers. In the first month, this data set, this outlier here, which is going to be 0.636, right, is way on the top of the other points, right, at the beginning of the year or at the center of the year, the middle. And then we're going to see that 12.3, which is this one, is way too low compared to the other months like October, November, and the rest of December. So maybe what do you guys think can be a possible situation that might have caused the outlier? Well, since these are months, maybe June, which is the month 6, is a busy month, right? So we can say that this outlier is maybe because June was a busy month. So so the museums have a lot of visitors, right? Because of vacations and stuff. And then this value here is on December because it's month 12. So maybe it's because it's closed for New Year's or for Christmas. And that can be an explanation on why we have that outlier there. So the purpose of constructing a scatter plot is actually making ourselves these questions, right? Seeing the data set, seeing how it evolves over time, and then pointing out if we find outliers, if we can find any reasoning behind that. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So make sure you do it on your own, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!